Let us now take a look at some of the events that made news in the Northeast recently.
Northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland are among the 8 states chosen to have a Khelo India State Centre of Excellence to enhance India's Olympic performance under the Sports Ministry flagship Khelo India scheme. Following this, Nagaland State Sports Academy at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kohima has been selected to be established as Khelo India State Centre of Excellence KISCE, and the state government of Mizoram has recently granted the status of industry in sports.
I think selection of Aizawl is one of the recognition of the passion and the willpower of the state government for achieving higher in sports. And in fact, the state government of Mizoram has recently granted status of industry to sports. It is said to be the milestone in the development of sports in a sustainable manner in Mizoram.
2 earthquakes with a magnitude of 5.3 on the Richter scale was felt in many parts of Mizoram on 22nd June. Several properties, including a church in Champai district, was partly damaged. According to officials of the Geology and Mineral Resource Department, no casualties have been reported so far, and damage assessment is undertaken by district administration of the respected areas. Surmounting all challenges, the Indian Army completed the construction of a composite bridge at a blowout site at Bagjan oil field. Oil India Limited, through civil administration, has requisitioned assistance of Indian Army for construction of the bridge at an incident site. According to report, the expert now plan to lay a heavy-duty pipeline over the bridge and create a water umbrella for dousing the fire. 150 specially trained troops of the army undertook the task of construction under extremely risky and hazardous conditions in the vicinity of the raging fire, with working temperatures exceeding 75 degrees Celsius. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev, along with other dignitaries, recently met with tribal community leaders in Chandak Bethak at a state guest house. The agenda of the meeting was the economic and cultural development of the tribal society of Tripura. This is for the first time in the history of the state where such a meeting was held between all the tribal community leaders and the Chief Minister of the state. Community leaders of almost all tribes of Tripura took part in the meeting and expressed their concern and gave their views on issues of development of the tribal people of the state. Imphal-Jerebam highway has been cut off after a 100-meter-long section caved in at Kesinam village under Noned district following incessant rain in the last few days. A sunken stretch of road and a damaged bridge along National Highway 37, one of the lifelines of Manipur, has been virtually cut off from the state from Jerebam. At least 200 vehicles loaded with essential items are stranded on National Highway connecting Imphal to Silchar via Jerebam. Authorities reached the spot to inspect the site, and restoration process is underway. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Center for Policy Research and Analysis under aegis of IIM Shillong recently hosted the much-awaited e-symposium on tourism, opportunities in NER under the e-symposia series on Emergent Notice India, Strategic and Developmental Imperatives. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of the Board of Governors, IIM Shillong Sishir Bajoria, said the region is in great need of international-level infrastructural development. It is time to refocus on these requirements, which can also directly impact the economic growth of the region. Along with the whole nation, Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra, or the annual Car Festival, symbolizing harmony, was also celebrated in Tripura. Due to prevailing COVID-19 crisis, the festival was observed without chariot. In capital Agartala, the main function took place in Jagannath Temple with few devotees.